Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you a 1960 Arkansas Traveler fiberglass boat that I've restored. If I can do it, anybody can do it, so hopefully it'll inspire others out there to do the same thing that maybe doubt themselves or whatever. But anyway, it was a lot of fun. Anyway, let me show you what I had. I put the cart before the horse a little bit because I restored the boat, have videos of it. But here it is when we first bought it. And quite honestly, we live on the lake and was looking at making a flower bed out of a boat, and my beautiful wife found this one on Craigslist, and I just couldn't make a flower bed out of it. And I thought, wow, what a project. Three things I like about it is the scoop with the nav lights molded into the body. It has a slight radius from front to back. And as you'll see from the transom view, at one time it had what they call trailering lights. I call them tail lights, one on each side. No fins, but this is very unique. The only boat I've ever seen that had tail lights. The boat was in real rough shape. Every piece of wood in it and the flooring was just mush. It was rotted out. So I brought it home, cleaned it up, took the windshield off. It was busted. The floor, like I said, was in bad shape. So I stripped it all out and with hopes of putting a new floor in. Here's a photo of the boat after I rebuilt the windshield. Actually, didn't rebuild it. I went down to Lowe's and bought some plexiglass, and it still has the protective film on it. But actually I was able to reshape it and replace the windshield with it. I did find a place called Fiberglass Specialist here in our state to do the floor. I didn't want any wood in the boat, kind of like new boats today. I wanted more fiberglass and composite, so they did a very good job with putting the new stringers and floor, all composite and fiberglass. Here's a photo of the transom, and they put a new transom on for me. They called me up and said, hey, you really need to replace the transom. So I said, hey, do the composite fiberglass and get it done. So they did a great job, really good job. I was gonna pay to have the boat painted, but the gentleman that did it had it over 6 months, and this is as far as he got. He did have it primed, sanded down and primed, so important part of it, so I didn't have to do that. So I went and got the boat and brought it home. Here's the boat in my garage, and I did take out a body 40-something years ago. Lots have changed, obviously. So, I didn't have all the equipment and everything, so I ended up going down and buying some Rust-Oleum paint, a little higher quality paint, and ended up painting it myself. Took all the parts off of it and put several coats. I know probably should have paid for an expensive paint job, but quite frankly, I'm really happy the way it turned out. I bought this 1977 bass boat, Ranger bass boat, which was real restorable, but I bought it for the Honda engine. It came with a 50-horse engine. I removed it and put it on this Arkansas Traveler, and real happy with it. Once I got the boat home, the engine on it and everything, here's a photo of me putting a liquid rubber on the inside, just kind of as a protectant. Here's a photo of the flooring that I've covered with the liquid rubber, and having finished it. And here's a photo of the transom with the 50-horse Honda that I'm real happy with. And you can get about anything you want online. So I got me an Arkansas Traveler flag. And as you can see, I covered the spots that were supposed to be tail lights and eventually put lights in them. Now, can't go without the lighting, so I rewired everything myself, and I'm really happy with the nav lights. And again, the scoop really sets it apart from other boats. Here's a photo of the transom with the blue lights I attached. You can see the tail lights work, and I put some blue lights on the inside to illuminate it without attracting a lot of bugs. Anyway, the finished product is right here before me. I'll show it to you. But before I get to showing you the boat, here's the Rust-Oleum paint that I used. And again, I'm real happy with it. The boat turned out pretty good, I think. And like I said, I love the Honda engine, the flag. I put some of the foam type carpet in it. I put new seats in it. Quite frankly, I looked all over, finally settled on pontoon seats, and they fit perfectly and very comfortable. Plus you have storage in the bottom of the seats. Cup holders, the whole works. Worked out real good. Carpeted the sidewalls, and as you can see, the striped carpet / padding on the floor. Worked out really good. Lots of storage up underneath. More carpeting. Again, you got lots of storage. I put the engine on myself, and the cabling and everything that came with the bass boat. It worked out really good. And as you can see, I kind of self-engineered a panel. Went online and bought a new electrical panel, hooked everything into it. Installed some stainless cup holders up front on the dash. One extra added item was the Lowrance fish finder, brand new in the box that came with the bass boat. So I'm really fortunate to have that. We put a little carpet. My wife's idea to put the carpet up on the dash. I think that looks really good. Some extra cleats. Of course, I got online, got the name of the boat, and you can just about get anything online. I got the original logos for Arkansas Traveler. Painted the fenders on the boat trailer. And again, this is still a work in progress. I plan on painting the trailer, but as for now, I'm pretty happy with it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and might want to check out the videos of the maiden voyage and the drone footage out on the lake. Hope this helps. Get out there and do it. You can do it. Thanks for watching.